Welcome back, guys. I'm Steve, and today we are in the Tech Room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best Samsung monitors. Samsung makes everything from phones to TVs, but their monitors don't get enough credit. Some of them are absolute game changers. So let's break down the best of the bunch. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So let's get started. The fifth Samsung monitor on our list is the Smart Monitor M5 M50D FHD, priced at $229.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This thing's running a VA panel at 1920 by 1080 FHD resolution, which puts it in that budget-friendly category, but with serious smart features. We're talking 60 Hz refresh rate with 4 millisecond response time, so competitive gaming isn't ideal, but the color accuracy hits around 72% NTSC, which is decent for media consumption. The build quality feels premium with Samsung's signature design, slim bezels, and it comes in black or white finishes. Port selection includes HDMI, USB-A, and wireless connectivity for AirPlay and screen mirroring. Here's where it gets crazy though. This monitor has Tizen OS built in with Gaming Hub for cloud gaming, Samsung TV Plus for free channels, built-in speakers that are surprisingly loud, HDR10 support for better contrast, 4K, AI upscaling that actually works, multi-control to use one mouse across devices, SmartThings integration, workout tracker apps, and even accessibility features like screen magnification. It's basically a smart TV disguised as a monitor with workspace features. The major limitation is that 60 Hz ceiling and the FHD resolution on a 27-inch screen means pixel density isn't the sharpest for productivity work. But if you're living in a small space or want a dual-purpose display that can handle basic computing and streaming without a PC, this M5 is actually pretty clever. Our team recommends this for dorm rooms or minimal setups where you need maximum functionality from one device. The fourth Samsung monitor on our list is the Odyssey G4 FHD, priced at $239.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This one rocks an IPS panel at the same 1920 by 1080 FHD resolution, but cranks everything up to 240 Hz with a lightning-fast 1 millisecond GTG response time. The color reproduction on IPS gives you better viewing angles and covers 125% sRGB color space. Plus, you get both G-Sync compatibility and AMD FreeSync Premium for buttery smooth variable refresh rates regardless of your GPU brand. Build quality is solid with fully adjustable stand that tilts, swivels, and height adjusts. Connectivity includes DisplayPort 1.4 and dual HDMI 2.0 ports. Here's where the gaming features shine. HDR10 support, black equalizer to see enemies in dark areas, ultra-wide game view for pseudo-ultra-wide experience, low input lag mode that minimizes delay, eye saver mode with reduced blue light, flicker-free technology to prevent eye strain during long sessions, game mode with preset optimizations for different genres, on-screen crosshair overlay, timer functions, refresh rate counter, and Samsung's Gaming Hub integration. The stand even has RGB lighting accents and cable management. Take note though, you'll need a beefy GPU to actually hit those 240 FPS consistently. Our team recommends this for competitive gaming where frame rate matters. The third Samsung monitor on our list is the Odyssey G6 G65B QHD, priced at $799.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. And this is where things get really interesting. We have VA panel running 2560 by 1440 QHD resolution, with that signature 1000R curve that wraps around your peripheral vision, maintaining 240 Hz refresh rate with 1 millisecond GTG response time. The color game is stronger here, with display HDR 600 certification and quantum dot technology delivering vibrant colors and deeper blacks from the VA panel. Build quality feels premium with the curved design, and you get DisplayPort 1.4 dual HDMI 2.1 ports for next-gen consoles, plus USB hub functionality. Feature-wise, it's loaded AMD FreeSync Premium Pro for enhanced HDR gaming, Samsung's gaming hub for cloud gaming and streaming without a PC, black equalizer for shadow detail, ultra-wide game view, eye saver mode, flicker-free technology, adaptive sync that works with both AMD and NVIDIA cards, on-screen gaming tools like crosshair and timer, plus smart TV features with Tizen OS integration. The 1000R curve really enhances immersion for single-player games, and the QHD resolution hits that perfect balance of sharpness and performance. However, VA panels can have some ghosting in fast motion, despite the 1 millisecond spec, but for immersive gaming with excellent color reproduction, this G6 is the Goldilocks monitor. Our team recommends this for gamers who want that sweet spot between competitive performance and immersive visuals. The second Samsung monitor on our list is the Odyssey G9G91FD QHD, priced at $999.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This beast packs a VA panel with 5120 by 1440 DQHD resolution in a mind-bending 32:9 aspect ratio. That's essentially two 27-inch QHD monitors fused together seamlessly. The 1000R curve wraps around you like a gaming cockpit, hitting 144 Hz refresh rate with 1 millisecond response time. Display HDR 600 certification with quantum dot technology makes colors pop, and build quality is tank level solid with an ergonomic stand that handles this massive screen. Connectivity is loaded, DisplayPort, dual HDMI, USB hub, plus all the Odyssey goodness like gaming hub, black equalizer, ultra-wide game view that actually makes sense here, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, eye care features, and smart TV functionality. Picture-by-picture and picture-in-picture modes let you literally use this as multiple monitors, perfect for streaming while gaming or coding. With docks open, the immersion factor for racing games and flight sims is genuinely insane. Your peripheral vision is completely filled. Just a heads up, some games don't support ultra-wide, so you'll probably get black bars. Our team recommends this for sim racers, flight sim enthusiasts, and anyone building a serious cockpit setup. The best Samsung monitor on our list is the Smart Monitor M9 M90 SF4K OLED, priced at $1,599.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This is Samsung flexing everything they've learned about displays and AI. We're talking QD OLED panel technology, delivering true 4K resolution at 3840 by 2160 with mind-blowing contrast ratios and perfect blacks that only OLED can achieve. Gaming performance is stellar with 165 Hz refresh rate and an insane 0.03 millisecond GTG response time that makes every other monitor look sluggish. Plus, NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility. The Samsung Vision AI is genuinely revolutionary. Click to search lets you literally click anything on screen to get instant information. 4K AI Upscaling Pro, powered by the NQM AI Gen 3 processor, makes lower res content look crisp. And AI Picture Optimizer automatically adjusts visuals based on what you're doing. Build quality is premium with a fully adjustable stand, including pivot functionality, and connectivity includes USB-C with power delivery, multiple USB-A ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort. Smart features are loaded, full Tizen OS with streaming apps, SmartThings integration, built-in 4K camera for video calls, high-quality speakers, gaming hub, and all the productivity features like multi-control and wireless screen sharing. The 140 ppi pixel density delivers razor-sharp text and images. Now, with everything it offers, it's no shock that it comes with a wallet-crushing price tag. Our team recommends this for creative professionals, content creators, and anyone wanting the absolute best display technology money can buy. And there you have it, folks, the best Samsung monitors. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Steve signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great